For the fact that the cost of living is very high doesn't mean you should be ripped of your hard-earned money, because some people are actually selling like above the cost price, which is totally unfair. It is no longer news that the prices of things are increasing by the day and the economy is not friendly at the moment. And that is why I took my time and went to the market. I made a market survey and I was able to come up with the current prices of your favorite skincare product, so that when next you're going for your skincare product shopping, you will know the range of the products that you're buying so that you won't be overcharged. Despite the fact that things are expensive doesn't mean you should continue throwing away money, because the truth is some people are selling above price. Make sure you watch this video to the end. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time or you are a new subscriber, hi my love, you're welcome to my channel. Here on this channel we talk about everything skincare, beauty, lifestyle and product review. Without further ado, let us dive into why we're here. For the fact that the cost of living is very high doesn't mean you should be ripped of your hard-earned money, because some people are actually selling like above the cost price, which is totally unfair. So I took my time to go on a market survey and I was able to come up with a list of all the skincare products that I know that you guys are likely to buy. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you guys the price range of body lotions, shower gel, toners, sunscreens, face creams, face moisturizers and body scrubs. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. I'm going to be starting with the body lotions. The first body lotion I have here with me is the Snapchat body lotion. This particular body lotion is very popular, especially on TikTok. There was a time it was really making wave on TikTok. I hear some people said it for as high as 40 to 50,000 naira. But then during my market survey, this is the price range I came up with from a very legit vendor. So you can get the Snapchat body lotion for as low as 32,000 naira to 34,000 naira. So anything above 34,000 naira, I wouldn't advise you to go for it. The next body lotion is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion. I normally used to think that this body lotion is very expensive, but I just discovered that you can get this body lotion for as low as 15,000 to 18,000 naira, depending on your location. Okay, the next body lotion, you guys, is the Olay Vitamin C body lotion, and the retinol as well, depending on the one you want to go for. But then the range for this body lotion is 16,500 to 18,500. Anything above that is above cost price. The next body lotion, you guys, is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C. For the vitamin C, the range is 17,000 to 18,000 naira. But then the retinol, that's the other variant, you can get it for 18,000 to 20,000 naira. I heard some people are selling it almost 25 to 30k. So be wise. The next body lotion, you guys, is this advanced Korean skincare body lotion. This body lotion, the price range is 12,000 to 13,500 naira. Okay, the next one is the Dr. Teal's vitamin C body lotion. Okay, the price range for this body lotion is 8,000 naira to 9,000 naira. Next is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. I personally love this body lotion. The range is 4,500 to 5,500. The next product, you guys, is the Amlatin Daily Moisturizing body lotion. This body lotion comes in a small size and a big size. As for the small size, you can get it for 17,000 naira to 8,000 naira, and the big size is sold for 24 to 28,000 naira. So know the range so that you won't be overpriced when you go to the market. Then last body lotion I have here with me is the Vaseline Gluta Higher Dewy body lotion. This body lotion's price range is 9,500 naira to 10,000 naira. So next, guys, we're going to be moving into is the sunscreen. So here I have up to 3 sunscreens for you guys. So the first sunscreen is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. It comes in 2 sizes, the big size and the small size. That's the 140 gram and the 110 gram. The big size is sold for 12,500 naira to 13,500 naira. I priced this sunscreen in one particular skincare vendor's shop, and then he was selling me 15,000 naira, while you can get it for as low as 12,300 to 13,500, and the smaller size is sold for 10,000 to 11,500 naira. So guys, you have to be careful and know how to price well, so that you won't be overcharged or priced for this particular sunscreen. The next one, you guys, is the Hatomogi face and body sunscreen. You can use this sunscreen both on your face and in your body. It is sold for 11,000 naira to 14,000 naira, depending on your location. Guys, the last sunscreen I have here with me is the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. You can get this sunscreen for as low as 5,000 naira to 7,000 naira. Anything above that, I don't think it's worth it. Next is face serum. So as for face serums, I actually was able to make survey on only Face Facts face serum. So whether you're buying the salicylic acid, the niacinamide, the collagen, the price range is from 5,000 naira to 7,000 naira. So these are the range you should buy. If you go above that, I think it's too much. So next, guys, we'll be looking at is body scrubs. So I have quite a number of body scrubs here. The first one is the Eden body scrub. This body scrub is sold for about 4,500 to 5,500. Another body scrub, guys, I have here for you is Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Vitamin C scrub. This scrub is being sold for as high as 12,000, 13,000, but I was able to discover that you can actually get this within the range of 9,000 naira to 11,000 naira. So anything above that, I don't know what to say. The next body scrub we're going to be looking at is the Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. You can get this particular scrub for as low as 5,500 to 7,500. So when you're pricing, you know the range, okay? I have some tunas here with me, and the first one I have is the Aquel tuna. This tuna is very, very nice. I love this tuna personally, and I'm sure quite a number of you love it as well. So you can get this tuna for a price range of 9,500 to 10,500. I heard some people are selling it up to 15,000 naira. The next we're going to be looking at, you guys, is the Skin Beauty toner. This toner is also very nice. You can get it for as low as 3,000 naira to 4,000 to 4,500 naira. Now, the next skincare products we're going to be looking at, you guys, is the aloe vera gel, the snail gel, the tomato gel, all the gels that comes in this particular variant. You can get them for as low as 2,500 naira to 3,500 naira. Anything above that is overpricing, you guys. Now, the next we're going to be looking at, you guys, are shower gels. So here I have different type of shower gels for you guys from different companies. So the first one we're going to be looking at is the SK Duchess shower gels. So depending on the variant you want to go for, it comes in different variants, but then any SK Duchess shower gel should be within the range of 10,000 naira to 12,500 naira. Okay, anything above that is overpricing. The next shower gel I have here with me is the Dove moisturizing shower gel, the 500 mils to be specific. Any variant, any type that you want to buy, the range should be from 8,800 naira to 10,500 naira. The next is the St. Ive Orange and Mandarin Body Wash. The price range for this particular body wash is 6,500 naira to 8,000 naira. Okay, so the next we're going to be looking at is the Vid Gold shower gel. So the Vid Gold shower gel also comes in different variants and different flavors. Depending on the one you want to go for, the price range should be from 10,500 naira to 12,500 naira. The next we're going to be looking at are face washes. So here I have the simple face wash. Depending on the type, it comes in different type, but then the cost price should range from 5,500 to 6,500. The next, you guys, I have some face creams as well with me. The first face cream is this golden face cream. You can get this golden face cream for as low as 3,500 to 4,500 naira. The next face cream is the K White face cream. This particular face cream is also sold for 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira. The next face cream I have here with me, you guys, is the Face Fact Wonder face cream. You can also get this face cream within a price range of 3,500 naira to 5,000 naira. Okay, and then another face cream I have here with me is the Face Facts Bright and Clear face cream. You can get this particular face cream for as low as 8,000 naira to 9,000 naira. Anything above that is above cost price. The next we're going to be looking at is this face wash from Face Fact as well, but the price range for the two of them is from 5,000 naira to 6,500 naira. The last I have here with me, you guys, are a number of bar soaps. So the first one is the Koji San 3-in-1 bar soap. This bar soap is sold within the range of 6,500 naira to 8,000 naira. Then the single bar, the ones that come just in a single bar, is sold for a range of 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira. Some of you are buying this particular bar soap for 1,500 naira and 2,500 naira. The truth is, you are not buying the original one. That's just the truth. It is not the original one. Just know that we have been buying the fake, in fact. So the next bar soap, you guys, I have here with me is the turmeric and honey bar soap. This bar soap is sold within a price range of 3,500 naira to 4,500 naira. The last but not the least, you guys, is the Ashanti papaya and honey bar soap. This bar soap is sold within the range of 1,800 naira to 2,500 naira. So you guys, this brings us to the end of this particular video. So remember, your location affects the price range as well, okay? But just know that whether you're buying wholesale or for personal use, these are the price range. So you should be able to know what to expect so that when someone is overpricing you, you will be able to, know that, okay, at least this was the range that Tasha gave us. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification. You guys, leave me a very nice comment at the comment section and let me also know the prices of these products, especially the ones that you've tried. Let me know how much you bought them in your location. Okay, let me know if it's cheaper in your location or if it is more expensive in your location. See you guys in our next video. Bye.